Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the memory and the SSD on a Dell XPS 159550. So first thing to do is to take the case off. For that you need a Torx T5 screwdriver and a small Phillips one. There are 12 screws in total. 10 of them are visible around the case, and 2 of them are hidden under the badge door. So over here, for this one, you'll need the Phillips one. Remove the cover. It should come off easy after all 12 screws are removed, so just like that, easily done. The RAM is here in the middle, so you should have 2 of them. It's held down by clamps on each side of the chip. So to remove the RAM, just push the clamps to the side away from the RAM, so just like that. Alright, you can use your hand for that, there's no need to use anything else. Once you do this, the RAM should pop up, so just like you've seen. Take it out, and then to add it back or add another one, just gently press downwards on the chip until you hear the clamps click, so just like that. Just gonna repeat it one more time. So you slide it in a bit and then press on it until you hear the click. So you can add a maximum of 32 gig DDR4. The maximum speed is 2400 megahertz. Normally the stock RAM that the XPS is shipped with is at 2133 megahertz, so not that fast, but you can go up to 2400 megahertz. Now to replace the SSD, so this is the SSD, it's the M2 port. Remove the Phillips screw that secures the SSD, so just unscrew it over here. And again, this will pop up a bit. Just take it out and that's it. Now to put it back, just slide it in a bit till you hear a click, and then again just screw back the Phillips screw. Now if you're not sure what to buy, just go on crucial.com and use their upgrade my device tool to get all the compatible RAM, memory and SSDs. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please do leave a comment if you need any more help or info on this laptop. Have a great day.